Hey guys, it's Jason, Trail Crew Update, SilverStar Bike Park. Jedi is finally open. There's a brand new entrance to it, so keep your eye for that left-hand turn when you're hitting the skiway. Down the trail, you're gonna see some nice updates. Some of the jumps have been refreshed, some of the line has been altered a little bit, so lots of little changes here and there, and lots of good feedback so far. You might see some small tweaks as we go along as we see things have to adjust. Otherwise, out in the bike park, every morning the crew's out there brushing, fixing bomb holes, brake bumps, all those other things, refreshing lips. And they're running that till about 10 o'clock, and then the rest of the day they tend to spend it working on Jedi and other trails, or out here behind me at the Crankworx, Slopestyle, Dual Slalom, Pump Track, and so forth. With that, it's 1 week away to Crankworx. There's Dual Slalom, brand new track, Slopestyle is going off on the weekend, Pump Track, and Air DH on Pipe Dream. Big important thing, you gotta register before the end of the weekend. So check it out, see what you want to do. It's gonna be a really good weekend whether you participate or spectate. We'll see you up here. Enjoy.